maybe AI can replace professors who will not use effectively AI. So, and I think that the role of the professors should change.
This question, the role of education and of professors, and what you have said, Dr. Fahmy, that we maybe should think of how we reconsider the educational system as a whole.
And known to create talent which brings economic value, right? Each talent brings some economic value in the entire ecosystem, right?
Be active and trust technology as a practical tool. In Africa, it's the AI usage pattern
that is already crumbling now with the advent of AI, and lots of jobs will disappear and others will emerge. And therefore, it has become a heavy responsibility on us as education institutions to follow this transformation.
ChatGPT. I mean, AI has been here for the better part of a whole century. We've used it for years in different systems, being as recommendation systems, or to get better insights into how students learn and how professors operate as well.
We go through a number of questions, a lot of things can be said, and I think we have a comprehensive approach of what AI in education means. That it's a fact, and it's a good building.
and I hope it feeds in a very good way in the summit. And thank you for making us part of it, and kudos to all of you.
This could not have happened without you, without your support. Going back and forth between the organizing committee and Temkin and there is Professor Mukhtar's leadership and vision. This is happening now, but it is not the end. We finished something, we should start something else.